Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by selecting exactly what you need to copy. This prevents extra white space and broken formatting. Once selected, press Ctrl+C on Windows or CMD+C on Mac to place it on the clipboard. If you work with code or formatted data, make sure to enable plain text copy in your editor so special characters and invisible formatting don't carry over. You'll see a brief highlight or notification in many apps. Treat that as confirmation and move immediately to the next step to avoid losing the item. Once copied, position your cursor where you want the content and press Ctrl+V or CMD+V to paste. That completes a basic copy-paste flow. If you need older items, use clipboard history tools like Win+V or a Mac Clipboard Manager to retrieve previous copies. This saves repeated work. Make sure to paste as plain text when formatting causes problems. Many apps offer Paste Special or a keyboard shortcut to strip styles. This preserves layout and prevents hidden characters from breaking downstream use. You finish by verifying the pasted content matches the original. Check for hidden characters, line breaks, or styling differences and correct them immediately. If paste fails, recopy the source and try again, or restart the source app. Clipboard glitches often clear after a relaunch. For sensitive info, use a secure clipboard or clear your clipboard history after use to avoid leaks. If problems persist, test copying into a plain text editor to isolate whether the issue is the source, the clipboard, or the destination.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.